What is up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be discussing the top 3 ways to make money with Amazon in 2022. If you're new to the channel, my name is Tyler Wise, and I like to show people how to make money online. About a year or so ago, I started making money online, and now I spend most of my time helping people get out of the 9-to-5 rat race, just like I did. But without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So the first way to make money online that I really recommend for Amazon is Merch by Amazon. And essentially, Merch by Amazon is when you design some kind of logo or saying, like let's say you say, I love cats, which is cool. I mean, cats are cool. If you don't like cats, then okay, that's fine. But let's say you design something like that, and basically you upload it onto Amazon, and then Amazon handles all of the work for you, essentially. They will ship it out to the customer, they will handle returns, they'll send you a payment for how much money that was worth, essentially. So a way to get started with this is obviously signing up for Merch by Amazon. You can just go to merch.amazon.com landing, sign up, and then you have to go through an approval process. But let's say you get approved, okay? Basically, what you can do is you can start making shirts just like this. Okay? Kind of, sure. I mean, I wouldn't wear it personally. But, you can look up different niches. Like, let's say, for example, cat t-shirts for girls. And, these are the top rated t-shirts for this niche. Okay? So, obviously, you can make shirts just like this with logos pretty similar to this. And, I mean, with just general basic skills, I mean, you don't need a graphic design degree to make this. I'm here to pet all the cats with some cat pictures on it. You don't need that, okay? And let's say you're really bad at graphic design, okay? You can just head over to Fiverr and you can hire people to design those shirts for you for fairly cheap. $10, $15, $45. I wouldn't pay for $45, but you get the drift. If you know that if you do the research and you know for a fact that a lot of people are buying these trending shirts, then you should make something very similar to it. Don't copy, just obviously take inspiration and then put your own spin on it and then sell it. Just saying, guys, it's pretty simple to do this. Anyways, so let's move on to number 2. So number 2 utilizes also Walmart and eBay, okay? So on Walmart, there's this bunk bed that sells for $249. And guess what? If you head over to ebay.com, you can find that same bunk bed, charged for a little bit more with the same photos that were used on walmart.com. Okay. Now you can do the same thing. You can create a seller account on Amazon and do the same thing. Maybe I would take my own photos of the products so that it doesn't get flagged, but you can do that. You can obviously just sell the product for a little bit more than you paid. You'll get the customer's details, and then you'll be able to ship it directly to the customer, and they won't even know that you bought it off a different website. This is a form of drop shipping, just so you guys know. So I think it's, some people would say this is a little bit unethical, but if you look at most of the companies in the world, this is how they run business. All the products you buy from Walmart and Amazon, chances are they've been drop shipped anyways as well. A supplier was charging a fairly cheap price, but still enough for them to make a profit, to a middleman, and then that middleman sells you the product. You're just the middleman, essentially, or middlewoman, or whatever you want to be. So, yes, so that's how that side hustle works. So, you can do this on Amazon, you can do this on eBay. So that's kind of like a little bonus. And last but not least, we got Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP kind of works like Merch by Amazon. You basically upload text as a book to Amazon. They create an ebook just for you, and then they ship it out. They handle everything for you. It's a digital download sometimes, so there's no shipping it out even to the customer, so that's more profit for you. But, you can create this Amazon KDP account, and let's say a very profitable niche is weight loss, okay? So let's look up some weight loss ebooks, okay? Let's say you created a blog, okay? A blog post on weight loss. You could transfer and transcribe that blog post into a format that is compatible with an ebook and sell it on Amazon KDP for a profit. Now keep in mind, you will make lower profit amounts for this, but if you sell enough of them, if a lot of people really like your content, you're gonna be rolling in some money, okay? Let's be honest here. But anyways, guys, those were my top 3 ways to make money on Amazon in 2022. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you didn't like this video, see you later. But hopefully you like this video. If you want to see more content just like this, make sure you smash that like button. Smash it, dude. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll be uploading more frequently. If you want to learn how to make money online the same way that I do, check out tylerzwise.com. Link in my description. I'll see you guys later.